Hello, my fellow comic book collectors. This is the big one, okay? Well, one of the big ones. At the beginning of this month, actually, I ordered a bunch of things, and I sort of was paying in installments on a bunch of like 5 different orders, and this is the first of those 5. So you're going to see like throughout the next few weeks, I'm going to be gradually getting these packages that are coming in with major grails, like just major grails. They're just like amazing comics. So this is the first of those, this box right here. And I have to give a shout out to Comic Book Investments. The guy there, Dave. Comic Book Investments is another YouTube channel. It's actually him that I bought these from. And they're basically 3 grails. And I'm super excited, as you can see. I'm really excited. And they're just really cool comics. So he gave me a pretty good price, reasonable price, like for fair market value, maybe a little bit less than fair market value. You know, I'm super excited to get them. He was actually very nice about allowing me to pay in a couple of installments because I was a little bit short of cash. So it was good that he let me do that. And yeah, I recommend you check out his channel. I'll link to his channel in the description. So definitely check him out. He's way more professional than my channel. And he's just a really good channel. So definitely check him out. And I'll get into the unboxing now. So I'm actually going to open this little one first. It might be something cool because I've only been ordering really cool things. So this is like a little one. It says fragile, handle with care, so I'm handling it with care. So let's see how it turns, what it is. Okay. Oh, cool. Oh my goodness, this comic has been a really awkward one for me to get. I don't know why. So this is Quick Draw McGaw. And it's actually Snagglepuss's first appearance. So this is a kind of an interesting one. I actually ordered this a couple times. And the first time it wasn't available. Even though, you know, they ended up reimbursing me, it wasn't available. The second time, the order got lost in the mail. The third time, I finally get it. So this is a really kind of a cool golden age key, like Snagglepuss. Snagglepuss is awesome. So if you ever want to get Snagglepuss's first appearance, it's in this one right here. That's Quick Draw McGaw. And I think it's number 5, issue number 5. I'm pretty sure. So yeah, that's first one. That was not such a big one, but kind of cool. Like I like Snagglepuss. So now let's get into this one. So there's a bit of a story as well, actually. This one. Let's drop this. So there's a bit of a story behind this one because what happened was I gave him my wrong address. I don't know what I was thinking. I typed out my address and I typed out just the number of my house incorrectly. I put a 5 instead of I put a 4 instead of a 5. And basically I was like, oh my God, it's going to go to the wrong address. So he gave me the tracking number and it said that they tried to deliver it. But obviously it's not me that they're trying to deliver it to. So I was like, oh no, where is it going? So I actually went outside to see if my neighbor maybe saw the package. And if you change the number that way, there is no house that corresponds. So I'm like, how could they even try to deliver it if there's no house that corresponds to it? So I was like calling, I was calling like UPS. I was calling, then UPS says, no, we can't handle this. You have to call like some other number. And they were giving me the whole runaround. And I was like, oh my God, where's the package? And they were like, oh, maybe they had to return it back to the United States. I was like, oh no, after all that. So somehow it ended up at my post office. So I was like freaked out. So, but at least it's here now. So these are three kind of major grails. This one, first one, I'm not sure if you're familiar with this one, but this is a mega grail. Of the three, this is probably the biggest. This is Sensation Comics 68. This is the first appearance of the Huntress. If you watch the recent Birds of Prey movie, the Huntress is in that. That's a later version of the Huntress, but this is the original Huntress. So I always like these kind of first Golden Age appearance characters. So this is the first appearance of the Huntress. And it's just a really kind of cool Sensation Comics. I love early Wonder Woman stuff. So this is nice Golden Age Wonder Woman, Sensation Comics 68. First appearance of the Huntress. Mega key. This is like really pricey book. And it's in awesome shape. It's like a 4.5, but it you know, if it wasn't for the staples, you can see that. I don't know if you can see that. If it wasn't for that, man, this would be like a 6. And there's a little bit of stuff going on there. But man, it is just it presents really, really well. Just really nice. Okay, so that's the first one. Now, another Mega Grail. This is another... Now, there's one thing with Wonder Woman. There's actually not that many first appearances inside of the Wonder Woman series. But this is one of those few that has a major first appearance. This is a low grade, but it actually presents, again, really well. I just step on the bubble wrap. So yeah, so it's like... this is the first appearance of Giganta. And Giganta is kind of like this big version, almost looks like a big version of Wonder Woman. It's just this giant girl. And it's just kind of a cool first appearance. Sadly not on the cover, but just a really great first appearance. I always like these kind of interesting characters. So this, and it's one of those, I would say it's one of those consistent characters that you'll see in Wonder Woman. She plays a fairly major role in the Wonder Woman series. And this is her first appearance, Wonder Woman #9. So a nice early Wonder Woman, early Golden Age comic from 1944. And I think the only reason that this got such a low grade, like it's 2.5, but the only reason that it got a low grade is the cover is detached. And with a lot of these Golden Age books, that happened fairly frequently because the way that they stapled wasn't the greatest. So it's kind of sad that it has a detached cover, but it's good for me because instead of being like a 6 or 6.5 maybe even, it is a 2.5 and way more affordable. So usually this is a pretty pricey book. So that's a pretty major grail. And the last one is really interesting. It actually has like some certificate on the back, which is kind of interesting. I'm going to read this. Just hi kitties. This document certifies that this comic book comes from the personal collection of Johnny Craig. Oh my goodness, that's so awesome. Who worked with Entertainment Comics Group from 1947 to 1956. Wow. So this is from the actual artist's collection. That's just so cool. So as I said, this is a make a grail. It's like kind of cool. So you see like a picture of the Crypt Keeper and with the Johnny Craig signature. And it's just like looks really cool. It's like wow. Okay, so that's the back. Let's see the front of this silly thing. So it's Weird Fantasy number 16. And I gotta say, David really did me a solid on this one. Not only is it something from a personal collection of the artist, which is pretty major, but he had 2 copies. He had one which was a 4.5, and he had one which was a 6.5. Okay, and this is the 6.5. And he basically sold this to me for the price of the 4.5. That's pretty major. What an awesome guy. That's just amazing thing to do. So wow, to get it for basically the price of a 4.5 is huge. And this is another book that is mentioned in the Seduction of the Innocent. So it even says it on the label right here. Used in the SOTI. Used in SOTI. So I'm going to take this one out because it's just too cool. I don't want to lose that little certificate. But yeah, just a really great, these ones, it's really hard to get in high grade because it's the black covers just show every imperfection. But you can see it's quite stunning. So wow, really nice. So this is Bill Gaines and Al Felstein. I'm a big fan of Al Felstein. If you watch any of my videos where I talk about Sunny and Junior Comics and a whole bunch of other things that he did, I really like his stuff. I mean, he was an amazing writer and artist. So he's just a jack of all trades. And this one has cream to off-white pages. So a little, not the best page quality, but, and it's... this is actually Al Felstein. You can even see it. Al Felstein cover. So pretty amazing. Pretty amazing. I'm really excited about this one as well. So just another addition to my SOTI collection. I'm so close now, to getting that whole collection. I'm trying to get, there's 150 in the collection. I'm like 80, almost 90 into that collection. And this is just a really great one. This is pretty beautiful, I have to say. It's just a beautiful comic. So that was my unboxing video. 3 Mega Grails. And I hope this was interesting for people watching. It was pretty exciting for me. Please like, comment, and subscribe. What are your Mega Grails? Tell me. I like to hear what other people are collecting. And if I can help you find those books, I'm willing to help people find things. I love searching for stuff. So the other thing is, check me out on Instagram. I have, it's just the same thing. It's Comic Collector Geek on Instagram. So you can just search that and you'll find me on Instagram. So please check me out there as well. And thanks for watching. Bye.